Hello and welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. My name is Zai and I welcome you to the series of simple Indian cooking. Let's prepare a chicken pulao today. Let's start with the marination of the chicken. For the marination, I have some chicken on the bone. We'll be adding some salt, fresh ginger and garlic paste, a few green chillies, some fresh mint leaves, fresh coriander leaves, a few whole spices, green cardamom, cloves, peppercorns, yogurt, some red chilli powder. Mix all the ingredients nicely. All the ingredients for the marination are nicely mixed. Now set this aside for 1 hour before we actually make the chicken pulao. Let's heat some ghee in a non-stick pan. To the ghee, let's add some whole spices. After we have added the cloves, let's add cinnamon. After the cinnamon, I'm going to add a few peppercorns, green cardamom, a few bay leaves and the remaining chillies. Saute the spices till they're nice and fragrant, and now we are going to add the sliced onions. Saute the onions on medium heat till they are golden brown in color. Onions are sauteed to golden brown color. At this point, we are going to add the marinated chicken. Sear the chicken on high heat. Now to the chicken, add the soaked basmati rice. Add little salt and mix with light hands. Add water. Lower the heat, cover and cook till the rice is completely cooked and the chicken is done. Chicken pulao is ready, a very simple recipe. Enjoy this with raita.